Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing and review over the Booga gaming headset. I found this at my local Five Below and it was $10. So it's not under 5, but it's 10. It's made by this person by Booga, which is the PC player of the year. Personally, I've never heard of him. I don't know how. This is a great price that I found for $10. Got RGB, it's got 4 LEDs at the bottom. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the actual headset right here. So it looks like this. It's in a nice square box. It's got 4 USB ports. So let's get it open. Sticky tape. Okay. And now let's open it. Okay, so this is the actual stand it looks like right here. And then we have this base right here. So we get this base and we can dock this right here, just like that. Let me get my headset and let's see how it looks. Okay, so here is the actual headset stand right here. Okay, so it looks like it's lit up on the sides and the bottom here. Goes all the way around. It's really nice and sturdy. It's made out of plastic. It has a locking function, so if you need to pull it up or take it out, you can easily do that. So it's got 4 USB ports on the front, and you could, I guess, plug in your chargers right there. It looks like they're USB 2.0, but it's great to plug in your computer and just have on your desk to plug in some extra ports that you might need to use sometime. They have more stuff. They have a keyboard, mouse, mic, headset, mouse pad that's like a full size with RGB. They got some great stuff, so I definitely recommend checking it out if you go to Five Below. Okay, so I'm going to put it on my desk and I'm going to kind of show you what that looks like when it's actually over there. So let's pick it up and bring it and plug it in. Stand right here with my headphones on it, which I use. I'm going to actually plug it into the computer. See how it's lit up? It looks really nice on the desk. USB device is being set up. 4 ports. It's like USB hub, and it looks super cool on your desk. So I really recommend it even for a USB hub. And one thing I did forget to mention is, see right here, it says this is actually a phone stand. It's a really functional device, so all this, pretty cool. Okay guys, so that has been the Booga gaming headset. Great product for $10, and it holds up all your and it holds up your headset, USB ports. So thank you guys so much for watching. This has been cheap tech on gas candy with some sweet tech. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.